Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at another snack from Aldi. They're Simply Nature brand. These are keto coconut clusters. 7 grams total, 3 grams of fiber, so only 4 grams net, which is pretty awesome. They're saying a serving size is an ounce, which is not a ton, obviously. There's 10 servings in here, so probably only have 2 or 3 of them. In terms of calories, it's showing 150 calories or whatever, so that's pretty cool. Oh, that's fun. I cut it right where it told me to, and it wasn't high enough. Okay. So I thought there's a seal in there. So you get to watch me cut this twice. That's fun. All right, what do we got? Okay, so wow. Okay, that's a. I thought they were a little smaller than that. Looks like kind of like a granola, basically. I wonder how they're getting it to stick together. Ingredients: coconut, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, tapioca syrup. That's it. Erythritol, hemp seeds, inulin, sea salt, natural flavors, xanthan gum. There's another binder, and then stevia extract. So this does have stevia and erythritol, so it's not sucralose. You know, a lot of people don't like sucralose. And a lot of people don't like Ace K and, you know, all that stuff. So the natural flavors are in here. So, wow. Wow. That's really good. I love nuts. I love coconut. It's very coconut forward. That's really, really good. I don't give out a lot of 10s, but in terms of like a granola-y kind of thing, this is absolutely top tier. This is amazing. Wow. Man, I'm really excited. It's not ridiculously sweet, which is nice. It's sweet. I'm not saying it isn't. And also, I'm not getting the cooling effect from the erythritol, so they've got a good balance there. I'm getting a tiny bit of that metallic flavor that sometimes you get from some of the artificial sweeteners. I shouldn't say artificial, because in this case it's stevia and erythritol. Man. Keto coconut clusters. That's amazing. Solid 10. Absolutely recommend. If you like coconut flavor at all, this is the stuff right here. Man, those are really good. I'm really excited. I need to go put these away now. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.